sulfur buildup, and that builds up at the bottom of the hot water heater where the heating element is, and left unattended, the sediment is just going to build and build and build until it won't heat anymore. So what this does is cause the hot water heater to last a little bit longer. Generally, you can expect them to last about 10 to 12 years. Hey folks, this is John Clapper here. The last time I flushed my hot water heater was about 4 months ago, and I'm going to do it again, and this time put it on a video so that those of you who don't know how to do it can handle this very easy task. So the only things that we need are a hose and a screwdriver to turn this on. This screwing attachment only turns 1/4 of a turn. A hose and a screwdriver is all we'll need for this task. So I've hooked a short length of hose up to my hot water heater. It doesn't go all the way outside my garage. I prefer it that way, as I want to see what kind of debris is coming out of the hot water heater. So as we go back, we'll grab the screwdriver and we'll turn the rascal on. And again, it just turns 1/4 of a turn. And we've got a lot of debris coming out already. You can look on there and see the little bits and pieces down there. You can see a lot of the debris coming out and forming. So I let the water run, about 3 to 4 minutes until the temperature of the water is not hot anymore. And at that point, and you don't see any more debris coming out of the hose, you can turn it off. So we'll go ahead and turn that off at this time. Let's take a look at the floor one more time. So we can see a bit of debris, and this debris is the stuff that creates the unpleasant smells. They look hard, but they're very soft, and they squeeze in your hand. And there's a little bit of an odor. So that's all there is to doing that task. 1/4 turn on the valve, a screwdriver to turn it on, and a length of hose. That's all you need.